OG back on the screen. So we got some crazy stuff here. NBA 2K26 events is ruined completely. 2K events have been ruined for years now. What do I mean by the events have been ruined for years now? From since I can remember, like 17, they had the park after dark, but it didn't work. It didn't work. Like, you go in there and be bugged up. Like, I miss the game when we used to just deal with cheese. Cheese was the Zens. When players would do the moves and just spam, that was the Zens. Nobody cared to use the actual devices. Now you actually have skillful players using Zens. Skillful players matching up with players using Zens. Today we talk about Solo DF teaming up with a Zen user. I'm about to go deep in this video because it's crazy how the top of the top people cheat or deal with cheaters or do something to get over, and it's like that's just how the real world is too. It's crazy. Let's watch this. This is the first video, right? This is just somebody in basketball guys using a Zen. This is how it looks.
Cheating? He has to be. Yeah, he's cheating. Why me, gang? Why? Cheating? He has to be. Yeah, he's cheating. Why me, gang? Why?
We've been dealing with this for years, yo. Especially since we got to next gen. It's crazy how gaming companies can't even patch this. And it's like there's no real super urgency too, because it's like a Six Flags. Every Six Flags, you're not gonna have teenagers fighting in the Six Flags. You know what I mean? You know how you go to Six Flags, there's some kids fighting, maybe a shootout at the carnival or something. Every Six Flags ain't gonna be like that. They gonna have some Six Flags where everything going correct, the security going right. And me just giving that analogy is in 2K, everybody gonna be playing the proper way. Nobody gonna be using no Zen. You know what I mean? It's sick. It cuts the community. It destroyed the community. You wanna know why? Like, you can't go on the stage no more. Like, I remember back then when a group of old heads are coming to stage. 17. But they teamwork, how they played, it'd be like, oh man, it was just different times. They didn't have fear to come in there though, is what I'm saying, because there wasn't a high level of cheating. The highest thing you could play against was cheesing. This is just unbearable. When will we ever be able to play events fairly ever again? When? Yo, do y'all understand? It's been years since we have gotten a real legit actual top rep and a real legit actual that's crazy, just hit me. Top rep and an actual real event where people can really have a chance to go and say, hey, I want to try to win this or get close. Like, no, bro. It's always the cheaters at the top. Then it trickles down to like sweats, and then it's terrible. Then we move on to here. Downwork says every 2K stream I watched today played a Zener. At this point, everybody might as well Zen. May the best Zen win. Now, of course, I like it just because I needed to save so I can come back and read this. But you don't think this is what half of the people did? You don't think it's what most people realize to do? Y'all do know there's one Zener on the other two. You can hold LB and double team. Why Zen when the game easy to shoot? That's what I don't get about cheaters. I understand, especially the year. I don't even understand why having one as easy as F to shoot. People say this when they don't play against good competition. That's why it's crazy people come at me in my comment section, because people actually will say that when they're truly scared. I mean, when they truly have never played against good competition. It's not easy to shoot when you're playing against somebody that's good and he can predict your movements and you have to get a good shot off. That's when the shooting becomes more difficult within the game. You're just playing against random guys and you shooting a wide open shot. Oh yeah, that's easy. I hit the green window. It's a different game when you start saying, okay, he's contesting me, he's not contesting me. No, am I not talking facts? And you're playing against higher level competition. It's a different total ball game. And when higher competition, it's a trickle down effect. Let's say you got a level 5 player, level 6 player, level 7 player. The level 7 player will be way better than the level 5 player. The level 5 player gonna use the Zen. You have to understand, like, I don't know how to put it like that. Yeah. So if you have 2 good players, right? One player may just want to be more consistent than the other player. And this is why that player goes and gets a Zen. Some people still don't like 2K's window system, how they have it. Ever since 2K did that change of a window systems from 17 and the older 2Ks, that's when people started saying, no, I'm gonna get a device to shoot. Once people started learning about it, because 2K started saying we have to make our game harder to shoot. Remember Hot Zone Hunter? Y'all don't remember they took that out and said within the courtside report of the next game after whenever it was the last year Hot Zone Hunter, I think that was NBA 2K22 next gen. Yes. Once we went to 23, they said how they felt Hot Zone Hunter was too easy and allowing players just to be way too good. Like, it made no sense. It's like, yo, that's something y'all made. It's y'all game. Y'all didn't test it out. So what are we? Are we better than you? It's your product. You know what I mean? Are we like better than you? Like, should we learn how to make your gaming product? Should that information to build a game be in our brains rather than yours? Since you can't even hop on your game to test it, brittle hands, Mike. It's like, it don't make no sense. So once you realize that, that's the different tone which players want the better advantage. Damn, when I gotta take my fade, it's harder when you gotta time it with X. That guy even got tempo now, but it's just still all about just being way more consistent than the other guy. Because everybody knows once nerves and pressures hit, your shot can go away. Your shot can get a little bit shaky. Your decision making can get a little bit. Come on, stop acting like y'all never played with somebody and they got scary or threw a scary pass or just shot a nervous shot or just did something dumb. Come on. People, when you have a Zen, you don't have that feeling no more. It's just about racing to the window. Because yes, like one dude said in the comment section, you can still double team somebody and stop and block a Zen, close up the window. This is why they still have to know how to dribble, do dribble moves. That's why I said there's different levels of Zenners. Different levels of them. You all up in their grill, you jump, you're gonna block it in the window. They made the game set up that way to where it's like, you know, it's not like COD, like you just, I don't know how to put it, you know, but we on the last thing right here. Basketball got secured, and here's a poster saying Solo is playing with a known cheater. So it's a whole bunch of talks of people around the community upset because YouTubers are playing with Zenners. I seen somebody also say Grinding was playing with one. Sometimes, you know, some players will just think, oh, this guy's good, not know he's Zens because it's so hidden. It's like, why can't y'all make a thing in the game 2K where it shows a player using a Zen? That would be so fire. You just have a thing and it's like beep beep. Y'all always can sense to detect them to ban them, but just that would be so fire. You implement that the next 2K where it shows a little thing over their head and it shows using a Cronus Zen. Cronus Zen attached to this player. Yo, that would be so fire, bro. What would, oh, I gotta say that every Zen video I make. Please, y'all, tell me that video, that idea is not fire. That would be fire. Then you don't have to play against him. You can just hop off the court. Up now, he got Zen. He got it above his head. Or you check his player card, wherever it is. 2K gotta implement that. Mike gotta see this video. Hit that like, people. I got more coming. There's more news. Got more coming. More gameplay videos. More everything. Drop a like, subscribe, support the channel.